Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at it again. As you can see, I pulled them all out as I can, as much as I can. Tied them up. Same with the other two right there. Who wouldn't know? You could use a towel or multi-purpose. Alright, so I pull it as much as I can and fill up with the bucket and put some soap, detergent in there, some cleaner. After that, just use a small drill and clean it. As you can see, it's 100 times better than how it was before. All right, thank you guys for your comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.